They must be innovative, but also smaller, faster and smarter. More powerful, yet power-saving. Highly customized, yet sustainable. But even more important, being compliant while controlling cost. Your customers want to build smart, sustainable and compliant devices that their customers will love. But how do you do this? Start integrated and stay integrated with Semiconductor Lifecycle Management. Synchronize your entire product lifecycle from concept to delivery to manufacturing to enhance efficiency, productivity and sustainability. Reduce the presence of hazardous substances and increase supply chain transparency. Address eco-design objectives by managing compliance seamlessly. In the end, creating high-quality, safe and sustainable products for your customers should be top priority. Build trust and traceability while achieving your business and environmental goals. Produce better products faster with Design for Compliance and Siemens Lifecycle Management for semiconductor devices.